What is IP address? How it works? IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. Internet Protocol Address. Internet Protocol Address is a unique identifier assigned to each device connected to a network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It allows devices to locate and communicate with each other over the network. Address types. There are two main types of IP addresses: IPv4 and IPv6. Let's look at an example where three computers communicate and send data to each other. And smart work. Data packets travel across networks through routers, which use IP addresses to determine the best path. The local router examines the packet's destination IP address and checks its routing table. The router determines the next hop router to which it should forward the packet to get closer to the destination. Router failure. Let's consider what happens if the router fails is on fire as an analogy for a serious malfunction, or being physically damaged, and how the computers can or cannot communicate. Conclusion. When the router fails, computers on the same local network can still communicate directly using their previously assigned IP addresses. However, they will lose internet access and other network services provided by the router. Replacing or repairing the router is necessary to restore full network functionality. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tech Visual.